Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to overlap audio in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Overlapping audio in Adobe Express allows you to blend sounds such as background music with voiceovers or sound effects. So once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the design or project that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the project or design that you're working. Now, I'm going to start overlapping audio in this design that I have been working. All right, so basically right now, I don't have any audio for it. But if you do, all you're gonna do is go to the edit timeline here, and there is an option that says add audio. Now, you have multiple options for you to be able to upload audio. You can upload from your own device. All right. If you have, say, for example, if you're a composer, musician, or an artist, or within a band, you can upload your own content here or your own audio in this design. But of course, if you want to add a sound effects, you might want to choose some of the available audios here in Adobe Express. You have sound effects, acoustic, background, blues, and a lot more. For example, we're going to use the for example, monumental, like 11 seconds. You see that you cannot stretch it. And for you to be able to overlap an audio here, I want you to go to the record voiceover. All right. All I'm gonna do is choose the microphone or the default microphone that you could use to overlap your voiceover here. Okay, so all I have to do is use this one, and I'm going to start recording. It will give you a timer for you to be able to start. You see that? I am now adding a voice here inside the design that I have been working. So it overlaps within my audio that I have worked as a background music. All right, now after finishing recording, you see that the audio will be added here. You see that the voiceover is at the bottom, and the audio here, which I have chosen earlier, is on the second layer. Right now, what I'm going to do is, because it's just a background music, I'm going to decrease the volume. All right, so that the audio here, which is this one right here, will be the one who is gonna be the main focus. All right, so the background music here is just a just for a background, just an ambient music. You can add a scene here, all right, and add another music right here. You can do that, like 5 seconds. And of course, you can also decrease the volume. In this instance, you can also record another audio on this scene. Click the record voiceover. And again, click the start recording, because using overlapping audio evokes emotions such as pairing dramatic music with a moving narration. Just like, for example, what I do. I create videos for how-to tutorials to help you solve your problems quickly. The layered sound effects like footsteps or ambient sound, and if you're finished recording, you would be able to overlap all these to set the scene and draw your audience to the story. All right? Overlapping video can make your video or presentation feel polished. All right? Similar to what you'd find in movies or professional ads. And after that, just click on download if you want to save this as an MP4, and click the share button if you want to share this link to your client or to your boss. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.